Imagine for one moment what it would feel like to wake up in the morning calm, joyful, and clear-minded. But not just for that split second upon waking, but for the minutes, the hours that followed. What if your entire day, your week, your year was free from stress? What if you were not overwhelmed by internal chaos? How would your life be different? What could you achieve with this level of peace and happiness? I want you to stop walking through life surviving, instead thriving. I want you to achieve all your hopes and desires. And I'm going to show you how in my free online workshop, Overcoming Chaos. All you need to do is register for free on this page by entering your name and email now. I look forward to seeing you inside this incredible workshop. Namaste.